So, kind of left with a dilemma here. Found out my brother, well, we've been actually killing some of these. And, well, found out he ate the other dove we had last night. So, takes about 4 or 5 of these. I caught him again! Barehanded! Be free. Come on, go. He can fly away anytime he wants to. Bird's a great judge of character. Yes, he is. Say, I'm a free bird, and he chooses to stay with Mr. God to you. So, yeah. How's that? There you go. Proof positive. Animals love me. It's a wild dove, you guys. Guaranteed a wild dove. That's not wanting to leave, which is pretty bizarre. I don't fucking believe it, man. I don't believe it. There. So here I am with my new friend, the bird of peace. See you guys top that shit. A wild dove. Huh? How about that? There he goes. In a tree. Cheers and all you bastards.